Hi, this is Tara Green, and I'm inviting you to join me and a host of others for a virtual Zoom ceremony about the Libra full moon on March 28th at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now, this is a very auspicious, very special heart healing full moon, okay, to heal our relationships, to heal all of the aches and the pains and the vulnerability and everything that's been so difficult since COVID-19 started. And it's because of where the planets and the sun and the moon are going to be. So all full moons shine a light in different elements in different ways. Each one is very unique, and this one is exceptionally special because the sun and Venus are conjuncting a couple of days before, so they're still carrying that energy. But on the full moon, Venus, the planet of women, of luxury, of the arts, of money, of peace, of balance, and Chiron, the wounded healer, are coming together in exact alignment at 8 degrees of Aries. Now that's very rare. All the planets lined up at 8 degrees. Number 8 is the symbol of karma itself, and Libra is the scales of karmic justice. So we have to watch, all the signs, all the symbols, all the synchronicities. And so we're going to gather. I do a guided meditation. I talk about all the attributes, all the symbols, what all the planet energies are all about. So I translate all that for you so you can use it. You'll be sent a PDF before, what you need to gather, what all the oils and the crystals and the different attributes, herbs and things like that you can use. And then we will gather online. I'll channel a guided meditation to help really go deeply into our hearts. I'm a Sagittarius, so I'm like Chiron too. I'm a centaur. I'm a triple centaur, actually. And I've had amazing feedback about these workshops. So please join me. If you can't make it exactly at that time, you can still register for the workshop. It's only $22 Canadian, so Americans are going to get a break in the exchange rate. And then it will be sent to you afterwards, and you can still use it. It'll be full of valuable information. So please join me. Really, we need to join together to heal our hearts. We're going to send this energy out to the world. It's the scales of karmic justice, so all the injustices against women, children, any abuses, anybody who's any group that's gone through any kind of injustice, we're going to try to heal and rebalance that. So please join me. If you want to sign up right now, this is on the 28th, only a few days away. Please go to my website. That's taratarot.com. That's TARATAROT. And I'm very happy to welcome you to this. And if you have any questions, also address them to me on my website. Many blessings. I know I'm going to see you there.